Hey guys, so come with me to go get my new freezer and it's a period. So we're going here. We're going to check out Stansat first off. Then we move. Good afternoon. 1212. Let's go in and check for my refrigerator and see how it goes. Trust me, guys, I walked around this whole place. I did not see Skyrim products. I was just seeing Hisense. Okay. And the Hisense I was seeing, I didn't want it. So let's change location. So I got to this second location and I didn't also see Skyrim here. I only saw a very nice washing machine I liked, and they were the ones that directed me to where I saw the Skyrim. I actually went to 6 different locations, but I didn't film the last two because the whole place was crowded and I didn't want them to steal my phone. Film the girl, film the beauty, very fine girl. And yeah, I peace out. I went to the last location, right? This was where I got the freezer from. Baby girl holding on to her mommy. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Guys, I met this cute baby. Say hi.